आज से तेरी सारी गलियां मेरी हो गई, आज से मेरा घर तेरा हो गया। आज से तेरी सारी गलियां मेरी हो गई, आज से मेरा घर तेरा हो गया। आज से मेरी सारी खुशियां तेरी हो गई, आज से तेरा गम मेरा हो गया। ओ तेरे कांधे का जो दिल है, ओ तेरे सीने में जो दिल है, ओ तेरी बिजली का जो बिल है, आज से मेरा हो गया। ओ मेरे ख्वाबों का अंबर, ओ मेरी खुशियों का समंदर, ओ मेरे पिन कोड का नंबर, आज से तेरा हो गया। को मैं दिल से लगा के झूमूंगा।
Good morning, everyone. Can everyone hear me? I didn't hear good morning back. Huh? Good morning, everyone. બધાને જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ, જય સિયારામ, ઓમ નમઃ શિવાય. So thank you all for joining us. Today is a very auspicious timing, right? It's a Shravan month, holy month, as well as a couple of days ago we have a Gokulashtami. So Krishna Janam ki sabko बहुत बहुत बधाई. Or today we all gather here to celebrate the marriage of two beautiful souls, Radha and Nil. Thank you all for joining us. By being here, you will celebrate with them the love they have discovered in each other. And you support their decision to commit themselves to a lifelong relationship. Traditional Indian wedding ceremony start with a procession. In Gujarati, we call it a Var Godo. Groom comes on the horse, but as you see, Nil comes with a many horsepower. And when he came to the mandapa entrance, there was a two type of the swagatam occurred. Is a Gujarati way we did the swagatam, as well as we did the Fiji way also did the swagatam. So both are same, but they have a more married woman comes and do the arti and tilaka and remove all the obstacles from their life by throwing the bowls on the four direction. And after the swagatam, Nil break the sampatam very strongly, and the sampada has all the materialistic thing inside, but Radha is everything for you. So all the materialistic thing is nothing compared to all the other thing. And once you came to the mandapa is your new beginning. It has a four pillar, representing the four basic principles of the human life, which is the righteousness, material well-being, fulfillment of pleasure, desire, and soul liberation. Furthermore, representative of the four holy books, which is the Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda, Atharva Veda. Furthermore, representative of the both side parent, because they had played a significant role in respect to children's life from day one to now, where the mother and father going to perform the Panigraha Sanskaram. So with the permission of the all, we're going to start the ceremony. Namaskar. So I like to request all the guests, please observe the silence during the ceremony. Believe me, you're going to have ample time after I leave. Dancing, meetings, as you pleased. And right now the sun is kind of a little bit coming up. So there is a water station in the back, so make sure you are hydrated. But quietly go, quietly come back. Thank you so much. So before we start anything, Nil, we always pranam to our mother and father. Because the mother and father like a G-O-D. G and a giver of birth. Whatever the physical attributes we need, money, book, clothes, parent, always work hard. Regardless how high you reach academically, how far you live on Mother Earth, but their unconditional love is always going to be there. So when you rise, and then pranam to mummy and father, pranam to mother and father, and pranam to everyone. He is requesting all of your blessing by pranaming everyone. Jai Shri Krishna. Please be there. So we all going to pranam to our parent. Join both hands, everybody. Om Brahmanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Gnanamurti Dvandatitam Gaganasadrisham Tvatvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalacharanam Sarvadhi Shakshi Bhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadguru Tum Namami Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Matruvatta Lilahitri Pitruvarga Margadarshita Namoste Guru Sataye Shraddha Pragna Ayucha Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptayenam Characharam Tadapadam Darshitam Yenam Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Mata Pita Charana Kamlebhyo Namaha Param Gurudeva Charana Kamlebhyo Namaha Tato Namaskaram Karomi. We pranam to our mother, father, our guru. Now we are going to pranam to Mother Saraswati. As a human being, we are very fortunate. Bhagavan give us everything, 2 hands, 2 legs, 100% brain, which is 5-10%, whatever we needed in our life. But anything we process brings a positive happiness, joy. And when you are happy, your family, friends, everything start from that point. So we join both hands, do the Saraswati Vandana. Ya Kundendra Tusharahar Dhavala Ya Shubhavastra Vruta Ya Veena Vardanda Manditakara Ya Sveta Padmasana Ya Brahmanyuta Shankara Prabhutabhir Devai Sadam Vanditam Samaham Patu Saraswati Bhagavadi Nisheshajadyam Lakshmi Mega Dhara Prushti Gauri Prushti Prabhadruti Etaha Bipahitanubi Ashtambhimyaham Saraswati Saraswati Namo Nityam Badrakale Namo Namaha Ved Vedanta Vedanga Vidyasthane Vaevacha. I'm going to sprinkle the holy water. Everybody Namaskar Mudra. Om Pavitra Va Pavitra Va Sarva Vastagatopi Va. Feels good, huh? Neil, after dancing. Yasmare Pundari Kaksaha Saha Brahmacharaha Suchi. Om Punatu Pundari Kakshaha. Om Punatu Pundari Kakshaha. Om Punatu Ganga Sindhu Saraswati Godavari Chayamuna Kaveri Narmada Sindhu Sanidhyam Kurume Sada Pavitram Kurume Sada. Father and mother, you can come here. Yeah, help her. Your mother, you're going to hold this one and take the flower. Neil, can you put both feet together? And you're going to sprinkle on feet 3 times. Hold on after my sloka. So, you are the soul of Narayana. Anything occurs to Bhagavan is going to occur to you. Okay. So Father is sprinkling the water on your feet. Om Vishnave Namaha Padaho Prakshalyami. Second time. Om Shri Vishnave Namaha Padaho Prakshalyami. Om Shri Vishnave Namaha Padaho Prakshalyami. Thank you. Om Ganga Sindhu Saraswati Godavari Chayamuna Kaveri Narmada Sindhu Sanidhyam Kurume Sada. Om Shri Vishnave Namaha. Om Balakrishnaya Namaha. Om Sita Vallabhaya Namaha. Om Samba Sada Shivaya Namaha. Mantra Puspanjalim Samarpayami. So I just mentioned the mother and father like a God, but they are showing how to down to earth nature we have to create. So pranam to mother, pranam to father. Thank you. Please be seated up there. Om Vishnave Namaha. We're going to do Sankalpam, although I know the names. What are you going to do? Om Vishnu 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 Srimad Bhagavato Mahapurushasya Adya Shri Brahmano Ditiya Paradeshi Shetavaraha Kalpe Vaivanmanvansare Bhudipe Jambudipe Bharatvarshe Bharatkhande Uttar America Kshetre Konchadípe कैलिफोर्निया राज्य साराटोगा शहरे मासम मासम मासे शनिवार से संवत 2079 श्रावण सुद दशमी निमित्ते ते नक्षत्र निमित्ते धनुचंद्र राशि निमित्ते वरपक्षे गोत्रोच्चारः करिष्ये। आपनु शुभ नाम? नामस्यः पुत्रस्यः Nil's name. Everybody Nil's name. Very good. You can do better than that. One more time. तो राधा को सुनाई देना इसलिए हाँ। नामस्यः कश्यप गोत्रस्यः कन्या पक्षे गोत्रोच्चारः करिष्ये। आपका शुभ नाम? मुकेश नामस्यः पुत्रिस्यः गोत्रम कश्यप गोत्रस्यः। आपका शुभ नाम? मीरा मेरी नामस्यः पुत्रिस्यः कश्यप गोत्रस्यः। टुगेदर राधा's name. राधा नामस्य एवरीबॉडी राधा's name. राधा नामस्य कश्यप गोत्रस्य सतप्रवृत्ति संवर्धनाय दुष्ट प्रवृत्ति उन्मूलनाय लोक कल्याणाय आत्म कल्याणाय वातावरण परिष्काराय उज्ज्वल भविष्य कामना पूर्ते च प्रबल पुरुषात् करिष्ये। अस्मै प्रयोजनायक देवता श्री कलशादि देवता श्री मन महागणपति देवता लक्ष्मी नारायणाभ्यां देवता उमा महेश्वराभ्यां देवता। रिपीट आफ्टर मी। अहम पुत्री राधा नील पानीग्रह संस्कारम निमित्ते श्रीमन महागणपति पूजनम एवं इष्ट देवता नवग्रह देवता पूजनम करिष्ये। ओम यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्त देवाः स्थानि धर्माणि प्रथमन्यासन्नः देहनाकं महीमानः सचन्द्र यत्र पूर्वेः साध्याः सन्ति देवाः नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णुः प्रचोदयात्। ओम प्रणम्य शिरसा देव गौरी पुत्रं विनायकं भक्तावासं स्मरे नित्यं नित्यकामार्थसिद्धये। प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डः च एकदन्ता द्वितीयकरं तृतीयकुण्ड पिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्रं चतुर्थकं लम्बोदरं पंचमं च षष्ठं विघ्नमेव च सप्तम विघ्नराधं च धूम्रवर्ण तथास्तकं नवमं बालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकं एकादशं गणपति द्वादशतु गजानन द्वादशैतानि नामानि त्रिसन्धं य पठेन्नरः न च विघ्नः भयं तस्यं सर्वसिद्धिकरं प्रभुं विद्यार्थी लभते विद्या धनार्थी लभते धनं पुत्रार्थी लभते पुत्रान् मोक्षादे जपेत् गविन् जपे गणपति स्तोत्रं षड्भिर्मासे फलं लभे संवत्सरेण सिद्धि च लभते नात्र संशयो अष्टाभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यो लिखित्वाया समर्पिवे तस्य विद्या भवे सर्वा प्रसीद प्रसादतः। ओम हृदय बुद्धि सहिता श्रीमन महागणपते नमः लक्ष्मी नारायणाभ्यां नमः। हरि ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं त्वत्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि तं साक्षात् आत्मासि नित्यं घृतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोताहारम् अवदाताहारम् अवधाताहारम् अवानुचानम् अवशिष्यम् अवपश्चातातः अवपुरस्तातातः अव उत्तरातातः अवो दक्षिणातातः अवो चोत्वाधरातातः सर्वोत्तमा पाहि पाहि समन्नातः तम वानमय तम छिन्नमय तम आनंदमय तम ब्रह्ममय तम सच्चिदानंदवित्योसि तम प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि तम ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं तत्तजायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयलयमक्षते तम भूमिरानलो नलो नभः त्वं चत्वादिपादिनिः तम गुणियातातितं तम मूलाधारोश्च नित्यं शक्तित्रयात्मकं ध्यायन्ते नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा तम विष्णुः तम रुद्रः तम अग्निमा तम वायुमा तम ब्रह्म भूर्भुवस्वरोमः गणादि पूर्णमुच्यतात् वर्णादि तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारा शान्तरूपं बिन्दुर उत्तररूपं नादसन्धानां संहिता सन्धिः शेषा गणकविद्या गणकरोषे निश्रुत गायत्रे छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ओम एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् विघ्नेश्वराय वरदाय सुरप्रियाय लंबोदराय सकलाय जगद्विताय नागाननाय श्रुतियज्ञविभूषिताय गौरीसुताय गणनाथ नमो नमस्ते. Neil, your weight is almost over. Huh? So, we're going to bring the Antarpatam. Antarpat karo jara. Yes, okay. It's okay. Neil, you're going to stand here. I need to hold. So there is a two people I needed to hold. Can I have two kids?
Aro?
Yeah, please bless you.
No, boy.
Boy, two boys, please come. Vande de Vahumapatim Suragurum Vande Jaga Karanam Vande Pan Nagabhushanam Mrugadaram Vande Pashum Nampatim Vande Su Ryashashankavaha Ninayanam Vande Mukundam Priyam Vande Bhaktajanashayam Cha Varadam Kuryat Sada. Everybody say Mangalam. Mangalam Kurvantu. Oh, one more time. Mangalam Kuryat Sada. Everybody together. Mangalam Shubhamavrata Savadan Acharya Savadan Madan Fullakara Savadan Grivasatre Savadan Matulah Savadan Pitulah Savadan Kanya Pratishthantara Samayam. Shortly the Radha's procession will begin. Mahalakshmi cha Vignamehe Vishnupatni cha Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat. महालक्ष्मे च विघ्नमहे विष्णुपत्ने च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्।
ना कुछ पूछा ना कुछ मांगा, तूने दिल से दिया जो दिया। ना कुछ बोला ना कुछ तोला, मुस्कुरा के दिया जो दिया। तू ही धूप तू ही छाया, तू ही अपना पराया, और कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। रब ने बना दे जोड़े, ना कुछ पूछा ना कुछ मांगा, तूने दिल से दिया जो दिया। ना कुछ बोला ना कुछ तोला, मुस्कुरा के दिया जो दिया। तू ही धूप तू ही छाया, तू ही अपना पराया, और कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। रब ने बना दे जोड़े,
Guest, please be seated. Om Vigneshwaraya. Pranam to everyone. She is requesting all of your blessings by pranaming, and also pranam to mom, dad and mom too. You can give hug too if you want to. Mother, please stand here. Yes, stand. Radha, you're going to stand right here, facing to him. So there is a fine line. We call it antarpatam. In Gujarati custom, they have a fine line between the both of you. As a priest, I cannot put you in the one form. You both friends are different, like, dislike, everything is different. But from this point onward, you have to live your life just like two wheels in a wagon. You have to catch up each other one direction. So Radha and Nil, try to look through the curtain and repeat after me. Vadhu, Ishvaraha,
Ishvaraha,
Swaha,
Swaha,
Vadhu,
Vadhu,
Ishvaraha,
Ishvaraha,
Swaha,
Swaha,
Vadhu,
Tu,
Ishvaraha,
Ishvaraha,
Swaha.
Swaha.
After my sloka, curtain will gradually go down. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu, Mangalam Garuda Dvaja, Mangalam Pundarikaksho, Mangalaya Tano Hari. Gradually goes down. Le Krishna Kanaya Lal Ki Jai Dwarika Dish Ki. You can fold it and put it on the corner. Thank you, brother. Brother and sister, very nice. So, I'm going to give you the garland. Please come in the center furthermore. Just a little longer. And you want to put down, you want to Look at in each other eye. Huh? All the married couple, just like this, you have to have time for each other, huh? For 5 minutes. Huh? Just like this, smile will comes out, believe me. Huh? The couple is exchanging the garland, and a garland is a circle. So there is no beginning, there is no end. No matter how far you go from each other, you're going to return to each other. The sun is in the center and all the planets are around you. Your soul is going to be the center for both sides, mother, father, siblings. Whenever you need guidance, they're all going to be there. But at this moment, you are offering each other rings with the flower. Every flower has a somewhat different color. Your life needs to be that colorful. Every flower has a different fragrance somewhat. You need to bring the fragrance of your purity, your sweetness, your unconditional love to each other. So after my sloka, Radha will place the first garland. I will let you know. Mangalam Bhagavan Shambho, Mangalam Vrishabhadvaja, Mangalam Parvati Natho, Mangalaya Tano Hari, Mahangalya Tanu Mema, Jivan Hetuna, Kante Bandha Visubhage, Tvajivam Sarada Satam. Radha, place the garland. Dwarikadesh ki jai. Om Mangalam Bhagavan Shambho, Mangalam Vrishabhadvaja, Mangalam Vrishabhadvaja, Mangalam Pundarikaksho, Mangalaya Tano Hari, Yate Rudra Shiva, Tanur Gora, Papakashini, Taya Santanuva, Shantamaya, Girishanta, Bichakeshe, Mahangalya, Tanumema, Jivan Hetuna, Kante Bandha Visubhage, Tvajivam Sarada Satam. Nil. Mahalakshmi Mat ki jai. Radha. Nil, please come. You want to sit? Nil. So, please be seated. Mother and father. Brother, you're going to hold this one. Mother, father, you're going to hold this one. Okay? So, at this moment, when you came, you put the first garland to him. When the Sita, Vaidehi, so many kings to get married with her. But she is choosing you as a Rama in her life. And Nil, always remember, whenever we do puja, wife always sits on the right side because wife is always, they bring the righteousness to the family. They are closer to the Bhagavan. That's why we recite always Lakshmi Narayana, Radhe Krishna. Those are the only people can bring his soul to Mother Earth. So we're going to start doing the Panigraha Sanskaram. So Panigraha Sanskaram has a 4-step. The first step of the Panigraha Sanskaram, you are accepting each other willingly. There is no pressure from anybody. The second step of the Panigraha Sanskaram is the parent going to unite both of your soul. You are the soul of Mahalakshmi Swarupa. He is the soul of Narayan Swarupa. It's a union between the two beautiful souls. The third thing of the Panigraha Sanskaram, you're going to be the equal life partner from this point onward. And the fourth one is really important. You're going to live as a friends forever. You share each other's value, tradition. With your openness, with your acceptance, you will gain more and more and more. So Nil, you're going to look at in the parent eye. Radha, you're going to look at in this parent eye. And Nil has to speak after me. You're going to speak in the Hindi so they can understand. But this is the English what I say. Nil, you're going to repeat after me. Main Dharma Artha
Artha
Kama
Kama
Moksha
Moksha
Mein
Mein
Hum
हम
सदाए
सनाए
सह
सह
भागी
भागी
एवं
एवं
सह
सह
सखा
सखा
बनके
उनके
रहेंगे.
रहेंगे.
So they are requesting they're going to be the friends forever. Huh? So both mother and father's blessing. So Neil, you're going to angle out 45 angle this way, and you're going to 45 angle this way. Father and mother, please bring the thing. Om Narayana Vignamahe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Vishnu Prachodayata. In the right hand, Neil, you're going to bring your right hand like this, and you're going to thoda piche ho jao, thoda aisa till ho jao. So first you're going to put the leaves on his hand, okay? Leaves. Oh, now one leaves. Radha's hand. Om other way. Like this. No, other way like this. Om Pani Graha Sanskaram Nimitte. Second on the Nil's hand. Om Tanadakshabhyo Namah. In the Nil's hand, just like this. No, like you are not together yet. Like this, okay? Put the little bit rice. Om Akshata Santu on the both hand. Akshata Sam, there will be betel nuts, supari, both hand. Om Spani Santu. Om Puspa Apah Santu. Om Tambul Fuli Falani Santu. One flower on the each hand. Om Sandakshabhyo Namah. Suradakshabhyo Namah. Santidakshabhyo Namah. Pushpani. Now, put this thing on the hand. Om Dhyanadakshabhyo Namah. Suradakshabhyo Namah. Santidakshabhyo Namah. Now you put the water here. Hold this thing. One drop here, okay? 3 times. Supari you give her. Om Pani Graha Sanskaram Tamidakshabhyo Namah. Nil's hand. Suradakshabhyo Namah. Santidakshabhyo Namah. Tushtidakshabhyo Namah. Pustidakshabhyo Namah. Thank you. Now, right here. Now, you're going to flip her hand on her like this. Om Thanadakshabhyo Namah. So usually we put the cloth. Om. Now that's other cloth. You're going to use it. Mother, you're going to give the final. You're going to touch her. Brother, come here. Touch here and then put the flower on the sister's hand on the bowl. Right here. Like this. Okay. Om, and then drop the water on the flower. Om Yagnabhyo Namah. Agni Varunabhye Namah. Santidakshabhyo Namah. Thank you. And then you're gonna do the water, mother, and on the drop, right hand. Just drop it on the flower. Om Ganga Sindhu Saraswati Godavari Chayamuna Kaveri Narmada Sindhu Sanidhyam Kurume Sada Pavitram Kurume Sada. Spoon here. Drop it. You're going to tilt this way. Brother, you're going to stand right here. You use the cloth. Yes, hold it like this. You're going to hold it like this. Father, you're going to touch here. Brother, you're going to need the photo many. Bas right there. Mother, you're going to do like father, touch it like. Shri Govardhananath Padayugalam Hayyam Gavi Nam Priyam Nityam Shri Mathuradipam Sukhakaram Shri Vitale Shammuda Shri Madhva Ravati Shago Kulapati Shri Gokule Dum Vibhum Shri Mana Mathamohanam Natavaram Shri Balakru कृष्णं भजे कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम। ओम सुपितारस्तु शांतिरस्तु तुष्टिरस्तु बुद्धिमस्तु कल्याणमस्तु धर्मगोत्र वर्धमान कुलगोत्र वर्धमान पुण्यः पुण्यः दीर्घमायुरस्तु। ओम यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्त देवाः स्थानि धर्माणि प्रथमन्यासन्नः तेहनाकं महीमानः। फादर राइट हैंड से टच यहाँ और यहाँ यहाँ। ओम नारायणाय विघ्नमहे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्। ब्रदर यू कैन होल्ड दिस वन नाउ। ओम सुपितारस्तु शांतिरस्तु तुष्टिरस्तु बुद्धिमस्तु। मदर यू गोना डू द ब्लेसिंग। Flower, touch the flower to the forehead after they touching the hands. ओम पाणिग्रह संस्कारम निमित्ते पुण्योदान हम करे से। हाँ फादर यू मदर यू गोना डू द सेम थिंग। या प्लीज कम हियर सिट इट हियर। मदर यू गोना सिट हियर ऑन दिस साइड। बैठ जाओ। फादर यू गोना स्टैंड। ब्लेसिंग्स या। ओम हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजां चंद्रां हिरण्मयी लक्ष्मी। गिव इट टू मम फ्लावर। जातवेदो म आवह ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं। थैंक यू। ओम नारायणाय विघ्नमहे वासुदेवाय धीमहि। ब्रदर ऑन बोथ हैंड दिस ब्रदर on both hand and then touch here and sprinkle on them, both of you. Om Supidakshabhyo Namah, Santidakshabhyo Namah, Tushtidakshabhyo Namah, Pustidakshabhyo Namah. Thank you. Now Father will grab all this, Father, both hand, all the material, you just drop it here. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you can bring it in front of Ganesha. Please be seated, everybody. So the Neil siblings gonna come and tie the knot. We call it as a cheda bandi. Om. This for you. If you are not comfortable, you can remove it. Okay. Sister, there is a stairs on this side. Please come up from this side. ओम यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्त देवाः स्थानि धर्माणि प्रथमन्यासन्नः तेहनाकं महीमानः सचन्द्र यत्र पूर्वेः साध्याः सन्ति देवाः महालक्ष्मे च विघ्नमहे विष्णुपत्नी। प्लीज कम गो बिहाइंड देम फ्रॉम हियर। Be careful, there is a drop, okay, in the back. So get the yellow cloth corner, and then the one corner from that. Then corner is called this way. So you're gonna tie, okay, beta? Hold it. Let's understand before you tie. So sister usually put the 5 things in the knot. The first thing sister put is a coin, money. Means one cannot waste, you both have equal rights. Second thing sister put is a rice. We have so many grains in our life, but if you look at the all other grain has a deep scar line. Rice doesn't have a deep scar. So when you together, you complete as a human being. Third thing sister put is yellow turmeric, is haldi. Is good for your physical and mental health. You have to spiritually grow. The fourth thing sister put is the flower. Rose petal. You have to praise each other. In the modern days, you can put a sticky note on the fridge, send each other a text. There are several ways you can open up. And the last thing sister put is certain type of the grass. We call it the durva, dara. We live in California, all the mountains are a little bit golden right now. But little rain comes in October, November, everything grows back green again. You see beautiful tree, has a beautiful flower, has a beautiful fruits, has a beautiful branches. But one thing you cannot see is the roots. So your both roots are very strong, you can overcome any challenge in the life if you work together as an equal partner. So sister, you're going to put a 3 knot, okay? Om yajjena yajjamaya janta devaha सानि धर्माणि प्रथमन्यासन्नः तेहनाकं महीमानः सचंद्र यत्रः पूर्वेः साध्याः सन्ति देवाः. Make sure it's tight, okay? So Neil, when the sister comes untie, make sure they have ice cream money. Not right now, later. Om Sanadakshabhyo Namaha, Suradakshambhyo Namaha, Santidakshambhyo Namaha, Pushtidakshambhyo Namaha. Very nice. Sister, you did an excellent job. Both sister, try your best and repeat after me. Vakra, Tunda, you come on this side. Tunda, Maha, Kaya, Surya, Koti, Samaha, Prabha, Nir, Veganam, Kurume, Deva, Sarva, Karye, Shu, Sarvada. You are praying the Bhagavan, my brother, my sisters. This is unbreakable bond you are trying to put. And having that 5 elements in that knot. Plus, you are praying the Supreme, my brother is a Rama, she is a Vaidehi, Sita, Rukmani, Krishnaya. So you can give them a hug, both of you. Very nice. And you can go from here. Yeah. So brother is giving you ice cream money earlier, Thank you. So we're gonna do Om Yagnena Yagnamaya Janta Devaha. So we're gonna do Lajja Homam. So brother, you're gonna come here. You're gonna come stand right next to your daddy. You hold this one. No, plate. Om Tanadakshabhyo Namaha, Suradakshabhyo Namaha, Santidakshabhyo Namaha. So in the Fiji, they have a 7 circle around the fire, and Gujarati they have 4, but both are same. So the first one circle, we're gonna pray for your righteousness journey together. I'm gonna bring this plate away. So behalf of your 7th generation, Neil, you're gonna bring the fire. Repeat after me. Ayuda,
Ayuda,
Varade,
Verde,
Devi,
Devi,
Trakshare,
Drakshare,
Brahma,
Brahma,
Vadini,
Vadini,
Gayatri,
Gayatri,
Chandasa,
Chandasa,
Mata,
Mata,
Brahma,
Brahma,
Yone,
Yone,
Namo,
Namo,
Stute.
Sute.
Om Ayuta Varade Devi Trakshare Brahmavadini Gayatri Chandasa Mata Brahma Yone Namostute. Om Bhurabhuvah Swaha Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodaya. Can you bring the right hand like this? And kneel you two, both up together. And I'm going to put, when I say Swaha, you offer to the fire like this, okay? Om Ekadantaya Vignamahe Vakrarundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat Swaha. Om Bhurabhuvah Swaha Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha. Idam Gayatri Idam Namama. Om Bhurabhuvah Swaha Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha. Idam Gayatri Idam Nam. Om Prajapataya Swaha, Indraya Swaha, Om Bhuva Swaha, Om Bhuvah Swaha, Om Swaha Swaha, Om Punyah Punyah, Om Bhurabhuvah Swaha Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Swaha. Very good. I will bring center. Both of you please rise. And you're going to bring Radha, both hands, and then you're going to bring underneath. So we're going to do 7 times, okay? So brother, you're going to take like this, touch sister's hand here, here, and then drop it in the center, okay? Yeah. I'm going to go on that side. Om Hirnavargaya Namaha, Bhugarbhaya Namaha, Sugarbhaya Namaha. Very good. The brother, the mother we call as the Ma. But when you have babies, they're going to call him 2 times ma and ma, becomes mama, maternal uncle. So we're going to pray for your righteousness journey together. Brother, one step back. Thank you. Please come forward. And after my sloka, you drop it, okay? Om ekadantaya vignamehe vakrarundaya dhimahi tanno danti prachodayat swaha. So what we're going to do in Gujarati, we have a saptapadi. So you're going to put your hand like this, Radha, and Neil, you're going to hold it like this, okay? Look at in each other eye first. And you're going to repeat after me, okay? First. Om. Repeat after me. Let us live
Let us live
with honor and respect.
with
honor and respect.
Let us walk together
Let us walk together
to be blessed with
to be blessed with
righteousness.
Righteousness.
Thank you, couple. Now, Neil, you're going to slowly put towards me, and then you're going to make a big circle, okay? A wide circle. And then you're going to touch the first beetle needs like this, okay? Pehlu pehlu mangalayu varataya re. Right feet. Pehle mangal. First feet. ज्ञान देवाय रे अग्नि देवनी साक्षी मा फेरा फराय रे ओम विष्णवे नमः. Now we're going to do the same process again. We're going to do this thing 7 times, okay? Om Hirna Bhargaya Namaha. Thank you. The second one we're going to pray for your materially well-being together. Om Narayana Vignamehe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Vishnu Prachodayat Swaha. Radha, put hand. Neil, you can hold it. Look at each other eye and promise to each other. Let us be
happy
and enjoy the life.
and enjoy the life.
Let us walk together
Let us walk together
to be blessed with
to be blessed with
strength.
strength.
Thank you, couple. Neil. Om Biju re Biju Mangalayu Varataya re Bije Mangal Rupanadana Devaya re Agni Devni Sakshi ma fera faraya re. Third one. Om Hirna Bhargaya Namaha Bhugarbhaya Namaha. So the third one is fulfilling by pleasure and desire. So Radha, all your wish come true. When your wish come true, Nil wish only gonna come true. Om Mahalakshmi cha Vignamahe Vishnu Patni cha Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat Swaha. Nil, you can hold the hand. Look at each other eye and repeat after me. Let us share one another's joy and sorrow. Let us walk together to be blessed with good health.
Good health.
Thank you, Neil. Triju re triju Mangalayu Varataya re Trije Mangal Rupanadan Devaya re Agni Devni Sakshi ma fera faraya re. So next 4 round, Radha, you're gonna coming forward, okay? Right now it's okay. Om Hirna Bhargaya Namaha. The third one, we're going to unite both of your soul. Om Tadapurushaya Vignamahe Mahadevaya Dhimahi Tanno Rudra Prachodayat Swaha. Radha, you're going to come forward and then turn and then right hand. Look at each other eye and repeat after me. Let us not forget our parents and elders. Let us walk together to be blessed with happiness. Thank you, Radha. Om. Now the fourth step, okay? Fourth. Om Chotu re Chotu Mangalayu Varataya re Chote Mangal Gayo Nadan Devaya re Agni Devni Sakshi ma fera faraya re. Radha, you can bring both hands. Brother, please come. Om Vishnave Namaha. So we're going to unite both of your body. Om Tadapurushaya Vignamahe Mahadevaya Dhimahi Tanno Rudra Prachodayat Swaha. Look at each other eye and repeat after me. Let us remain
Let us remain
in kindness
in kindness
and care for each other.
and care for each other.
Let us walk together
Let us walk together
in love
in love
to have family.
to have family.
Thank you, Radha. Om, the fifth step, okay? Fifth, but last. Om Vishnave Namah Mahalaksh Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trambake Gauri Narayane Namostude. Om Vishnave Namah Vishnave Namah Vishnave Namah. આમાં મંગલસૂત્ર કાઢી લેજો. પકડો. પાણી મૂકી દો હવે. પી લીધું. Brother, please come. Now sixth step, huh? Om Vishnave Namah. So the united one body, huh? Om Mahalakshmi cha Vignamahe Vishnupatni cha Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat Swaha. Hold each other's hand and repeat after me. Let us live
Let us live
a long and peaceful life.
a long and peaceful life.
Let us walk together
Let us walk together
to have a joy.
to have joy.
Thank you, Radha. Sixth one. Om Tadeva Lagnam Sudanam Tadeva Tarabalam Chandra Balam Tadeva Vidya Balam Chandra Balam Tadeva Lakshmi Patete Druga Yugam Smarami Om Sastapadiya Sistavabye Namaha. And brother can put some more material showing born law. It's okay. I am okay with that. Huh? Now this you're going to put 3 times. Okay. Om Vishnave Namaha. Second time. Om Narayanaya Namaha. Om Suradakshabhyo Namaha. Thank you. The last one is for your friendship. Huh? Our soul is his soul. Always walk on the purification of our soul. Yate Rudra Shiva Tanur Ghora Papakashini Taya Santanva Shantamaya Girishanta Vichakaje Namo Bhagavate Rudraya Namaha Swaha. This is your friendship, so promise to each other forever. Let us be
the
best friends, joined in love and sacrifice. Let us walk together to be blessed with friendship. Thank you. Here, Radha. Om, the last step, Saptapadi, last step. Om Saptapadudam. Om Sukhana Dukhana Sarvaste Sarvopare Ayushya Kamana Paridvada Prathamam Dvitiyam Tritiyam Chaturtham Panchamam Sashtam Saptamam Paritye. Om Vishnave Namaha. Radha, you're going to sit on this chair. Whoever sits first going to rule the home. Neil is so polite and so humble. Always Radha is first. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnasya Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate Purnadavi Parapataha Supurna Punarapataha Vishnunevaha Ishimujugum Shukramato Swaha Sarvagum Swaha. Mangal Sutra. So Mangal Sutra is your sacred necklace. Father and mother, bless the Mangal Sutra. Om Narayanaya Vignamahe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Vishnu Prachodayat. From this point onward, you're going to have another son. Thank you. Thank you. Om Mahalakshmi cha Vignamahe Vishnupatni cha Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat. From this point onward, you're going to have a daughter. Thank you. You're going to have one more daughter is coming. So I like to request, please bless the Mangal Sutra, raising both palms toward the Mangal Sutra. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shuyumahan Devaha Bhadram Pashyemakshabhirya Jatraha Sthirarangha Stastuvan Swastanubir Vyashema Devahitam Yadayu. Om Swastina Indra Vridasvaha Swastina Pukha Vishwavedaha Swastina Staksho Arishtane Me स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु पुण्यः पुण्यः दीर्घमायुरस्तु. Thank you. Neil, you're going to tie the Mangal Sutram. So there is a knot here, okay? You hold like this and then remove this and hold this one and then slide from the one side, bring the angle, hold this one, right hand. Now let it go, it's okay. She will hold it. Here. Then just pull it out, bring it here and then tie it, okay? Okay. Hari Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarnarajatastrajaham Chandram Hiranmahi Lakshmi Jatavedo Maavaha Tam Avaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagaminim Hiranyavandayam Gramashyam Purushanaham Asvapurvarathamadhyaham Asvinad Prabodhinim. Om Vishnave Namaha, Vishnave Namaha, Vishnave. Cheer to the Nil. He did it, huh? Very nice. Nil, you're going to hold it. Brother, you're going to stand right here. Brother, you're going to stand right here. You hold this one right here. Huh? No curtain for them? Oh, okay. They said no, they don't want to do curtain. Huh? Okay. It's okay. Om. Yeah, kneel here slowly 3 times, okay? Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarnarajatastrajam Chandram Hiranmahi Lakshmi Jatavedo Maavaha Tam Avaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagaminim Hiranyavandayam Gramashyam Purushanaham Asvapurvarathamadhyaham Asvinahad Prabodhinim. Om Vishnave Namaha. Napkin pulo blew up. I don't napkin. Le हाथ लो से रख दरा. हाथ लो से रख बराबर. लाओ cover कर दो. Very good. अखंड सौभाग्यवती blessings mother. તમે બે મધર બી આપો ના પહેલા ને જાઓ huh? Father, you're going to stand right here. Mother, you please come here and give the blessings to your daughter on this side, from this side, no, not in the front, from on the side, like this. Now you can give her a blessings. Repeat after me. Akhanda Saubhagya Vati Bhavaha. उसका वो टीका अच्छा ऐसा कर देना, ऐसा slowly, yeah, like this. Yeah, now. Om Vishnave Namaha, Sita Vallabhaya Namaha. You can give her a hug if you want to, mother. Father, you can give him a hug, huh? Okay, now you can switch and you can give the blessings to your daughter. Happy then, Laila? Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. आप दोनों जाओ, तमें पिल बाज जाओ, नील बढ़ी जाओ. Om Vishnave Namaha. Are they going to exchange the rings?
I don't have it.
Yeah. Hold on. Father, you're going to bring all the Kanyadan Vastu. Okay. Om. Father and mother, please come. No, mother also come like this way. Mother on this side. Yeah, on this side. Then you're going to bring your both hands and then underneath. Now you can put it up there. Om Suradakshabhya Namah Santidakshabhya Namah Kanyadanah Santu Supitarastu Santirastu Puštirastu Buddhimastu Kalyanamastu. Thank you. Akshatam. Om Father. Right hand. Om Suradakshabhyo Santu, Santidakshabhyo Santu, Pushtidakshabhyo Santu. You can put it aside. Akhanda Saubhagya. Is anybody coming for the blessing? One more person. One more person. Okay. Salim. Little bit music. Music. They're going to give the blessing. It's okay. Now let it go. They're going to take a while. So it's a Fijian custom. They're going to give the gifts to the daughter. Slowly, slowly, no rush. Banne haath like this. Om Kanyadana Santu Supitarastu Santirastu Pushtirastu Buddhimastu Kalyanamastu. Rakh do. And then you're going to rule the right Akshatam. Om Santidakshabhya Namah Tushtidakshabhya Namah Pushtidakshabhya Namah. And give the blessings to her. Yahan ke. Akhanda Saubhagyavati Bhavaha. Very nice. Aishyaman. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you can give it to them. They can put it aside. Thank you. Okay. One more. Buaji, you gonna come? Buaji, you gonna come? Oh. Do you guys exchange the rings? No? Exchange the rings? Okay. Sir, both खड़े होके मम्मी पापा को प्रणाम करना है. Go. Pranam to mother first. Go closer. Brother. You can give a hug to the brother too. Thank you. Pass it to dad, pass it to dad. Pass it, just take it for now. Please come on this side, the mother and father. You hold it, बाद में दे देना. हाँ? One, two, three. Mother. Just pass it to dad and mom. Please come here. Yeah. Pranam to everyone. Namaskar. We all going to bless the couple. Come closer. Come closer. We all going to raise both palms towards the couple and we're going to all bless the couple. I'm going to recite the sloka followed with the 3 Gayatri mantra. If you know Gayatri mantra, you can recite along with me. Chidarupeni Mahamaya Divyatejo Samanvite Tishta Devi Sika Madhye Tejo Vruddhi Kuru Shame 3 Gayatri mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvaha Swaha तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Everybody try our best and repeat after me. This is for Nil. Ayushman Bhava. And this is for Radha. Akhanda Saubhagyavati Bhava. Akhanda Saubhagyavati Bhava. Thank you all, guys. I'm going to do final pronouncement. You bring your both hands. Look at it in each other's eye. Om Harahe Namaha. Harahe Namaha. Harahe Namaha. Radha and Nil, you starting your new chapter in your life. There are so many chapters you have written before this day before. And when you're going to write some more chapters after this point onwards. But if you combine all the chapters, becomes so beautiful story. You're going to write the beautiful story of your life. And the life is a time. But you have to live your life in that particular time, because every moment is so important. Every moment is so precious. When the sun rises in the morning, the sky is so colorful. The birds are singing, the flowers are blooming, the breeze is flowing. Every day is a new day for both of you. Every day is a new beginning. And when the sun sets in the evening, everything is so calm. Sky is so colorful, birds goes back to the nest, flower is resting. So you have to get the spiritual calmness even between the two breaths. Before you reply to each other, just think about it. What is the best for both of you? What is the best for both of your family and your country and Mother Earth? Bring that ultimate joy, ultimate compassion to each other, and live as a friends forever. Share each other's values, share each other's traditions, and accept the both with your openness, with your acceptance. With that, I'm going to pray the Lakshmi Narayana, your Jodi, is just like your name is Radha and Krishna is a Nil. Huh? And that Jodi is always Akhandam. Om Sahasasir Sapurusaha Sahasraksha Sahasrapataha Sabhumim Vishwato Vrutva Atyadishtam Dasham Gulam Purusha Eva Dagasarvam Yad Bhutai Yad Jabhavyam Utamrutatva Sheshanah Yadanne Natarohati Ishtam Manishanam Amum Manishanam Sarvam Manishanam Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Radha and Nil and Radha. You have declared your love and have exchanged the Hindu vows symbolizing your promise to share your life in the marriage. We recognize and respect the vows you have made here this day before each one of us as a witness, by reason of the authority assigning in me. In accordance with our Hindu and Fiji ritual, it is my honor and delight to say that you are now husband and wife. Yeah. Okay, Nil, you can exit out. Ayushman Bhava Chiranjeevi Bhava Vidyavanastu Chiranjeevi Bhava. You can walk from the aisle, come back for the photos. Huh? Okay. So couple is going to be walking from the aisle, congratulate them, and they will be back for the photos. Music. Congratulations.
मेहंदी लगा के आई चली। सजन घर ले चली, सजन घर मैं चली। यादों के लेकर साए चली घर पर आए तुम्हारी लाडली। कैसे भूल पाऊंगी मैं बाबा सुनी जो तुमसे कहानियाँ। छोड़ चली आंगन में मैया बचपन की निशानियाँ। सुन मेरी प्यारी बहना सजाए रहना ये बाबुल की गली। बन गया परदेस घर जन्म का, मिली है दुनिया मुझे नई। नाम जो पिया से मैंने जोड़ा नए रिश्तों से बंध गई। मेरे ससुर जी पिता है पति देवता है देवर छवि कृष्ण की।